One of the most important lists that we'll use in QuickBooks is what's known as the items list. We can access this by clicking on Items and Services, or we can go to the Lists menu and click on Lists and Item List. And what this is are all the different types of items. Items are things that we buy and sell in our company. As we go down here, let's look at an example of this, of how this list helps us, this item list. Let's go down here to Hardware, and we're going to select Doorknobs Standard. This is what's called an inventory part item. We'll go to Doorknob Standard. And when we look at this, it tells us the type, it has the name, it says that it's hardware, it's a sub-item of hardware, and then it has a description, and this description, in this case, it has purchase information description and sales information description. In other words, this is what will show up when we purchase this inventory, these doorknobs, and the sales information is what will show up when we sell the doorknobs. And it's going to show up on the forms automatically. And it has accounts that are associated with this for the accounting that we'll talk about. It has inventory accounts and cost of goods sold and income account. But you set up these items, again, one time, and then we'll go ahead and close this. And then when we go in to sell something, say for example I go in to create an invoice, if I go down to my item section down here and just type in doorknobs, what it does is it brings that description in, it brings in, if I have units of measure, it will put that information in there. It has a rate, my selling price, and it has the amount, it has the extension. If I put in a quantity, it tells us whether it's taxable or not, and all of that is set up because of the setup of the item. The items are things that we buy and sell in QuickBooks, and they can be all different types of items. They're service items, non-inventory part type items, other charges.